Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off your Nintendo Switch. So you may have gone to the power options right here. It says sleep mode. If we select this, our PlayStation will just enter sleep mode. Well, if we want to actually completely turn this off, we want to go to the power button right here and hold it down for like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to get this option. We have sleep mode, or we can go to power options right here. And we want to go to turn off. Select this. Now this is going to completely turn off your Nintendo Switch, so this is the preferred method to store your console. So this will save your battery when you're traveling too. If you have it in sleep mode, it still might use some of the battery. So just completely turn it off, then press the power button right here to turn it back on. And you should be good to go. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Tech or Studios.